Hello everyone, my name is Tommy, and today's episode we are going to see the strange star. Yes, it's not an ordinary star, it's very strange. Okay, and I'll tell you in the episode today. Let's go? Okay, alright. Now, the first 36 light years is B5A1. It's the stars have many crystals and is 27 with 30 years old. Yes, and wow, there's so many crystals. Then you're going to be very rich. Yes, but these have carbon dioxide. Yes, and and that's far. But you can imagine go to that. Okay. Now go to 47 light years. This is the B5 B C2. Yes, it's the planet. It has water, many water surface and ice. It's cold too. Yes, it's really cold. The water is begin to have the ice. Yes, the planet have surface of all the water. Yes. Okay, let's go to 394 light years away. And that is the B3 no is CB3A2. Yes, and it's also a planet. It goes in there and flips over and goes slow and flips. Yes, it's called the faster one flips. Okay, now let's get our favorite star. It's the friend of Saturn, 497 light years, and the friend of Saturn. This is called the Super Saturn. Yes, and it have 37 ring is big and massive, and it can have it will be 47 million kilometers. Yes, and our planet Saturn is have a ring too, but that planet is massive. It is the planet the Saturn have to with three 610 times the mass of this planet. Okay, now this fun fact. Did you know the Milky Way has trillions and trillions of stars? Yes, and planets too. Okay, now you know this now to conclusion. Even strange planets can be difficult to find because light years and light years means 10,000 kilometers and it is not good. Yes, the astronaut will be out of fuel and go and into space forever. Forever. Yes, but you can imagine. Okay, now to the favorite part of our presentation. Now this is the question time. Yes, question time. Today's question we have 3 questions. Yes, the student is in our universe star or planets. Yes. Okay. In 497 light year, what is the friends of the Saturn? Yes, this is super Saturn. Yes. Okay. Question 3. What is 36 kilometers? Yes, a star has crystals. Yes. Okay. Now, do you want to play it? Yes or no? Yes, I choose yes. Okay. Not. Okay. Goodbye, everyone. See you next time. Good. Comment down below if you like my channel. Comment. Cheer for my previous videos. You can cheer for my channels, my goodest channels, and greatest channels. Yes, just subscribe to my channel. Bye bye, everyone.